to Enable Revolut Vault for savings. Welcome! In this guide, I'll walk you through how to enable and set up a Revolut Vault. This is a great tool for building your savings automatically and effortlessly. First, launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all the features. From the home screen, tap on the Hub or More menu, depending on your app version. Then, select Vaults from the list of available options. Tap on Create New Vault, and now you can choose between a personal vault just for you or a group vault where friends or family can contribute. Enter the amount you want to save. You can also name your vault and add a photo to make it more personal and motivating. Decide how you'd like to fund your vault. You can round up spare change from your purchases, set up recurring transfers, or make one-time deposits. You can even combine these methods for faster savings. Once you have reviewed your vault settings, tap Create Vault. Your savings will now start building automatically, helping you reach your goal with ease.